Hey everybody, welcome back to Pete's Classic Cycle. Where are all my Suzuki fans at? Guys, here is a beautiful 1977 GT550. This is something I don't see too often, and to be perfectly honest, this is probably the nicest one I've come across. You know, this bike is mostly all original with the exception of a repainted tank, a bit of hardware here and there, and aftermarket rear shocks. But this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I don't work on these bikes too often or really feature them, but this one deserved to be shown, so I thought I'd make a quick candid video. You know, the Kawasaki triples are obviously kind of my favorite, but you gotta love that ram air scoop. I mean, that just gives it a wicked sort of 70s muscle car vibe. For those who don't know, yes, this is a Kawi, well, not Kawi, sorry, it's a triple two-stroke, but for whatever reason Suzuki went with the symmetrical approach and actually did 4 tailpipes. So the exhaust splits up after the headers and comes out 4 separate pipes, which is a little unique to these. You know, might throw you for a loop if you're looking at one of these at a show. But either way, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So again, just a quick little overview of this bike. Just take a look at that, guys, and that ram air scoop just looks so mean. Alright, well, enough of me blabbing. Let's fire this thing up. Fortunately, it's got electric start, so I don't have to worry about holding my phone while trying to kick this thing over. And just like that, guys, how easy was that? Listen to that thing purr. Alright guys, that's it for me today. Just wanted to show you this bike quick. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is a 1977 Suzuki GT550. If you like this video, please comment below, like, share, subscribe. And as always guys, please ride safe.